You see it?
All right, ready?
Yeah, move!
Here it goes.
Watch. Watch. Look.
Oh, it's just a little fountain.
It's a Roman candle.
I don't know what this one does.
I had a great day.
Wow.
Right?
What do you think?
Is it pretty?
What do you think?
You want to get your headphones out of the car?
Say yay! That one didn't go in the on the clouds.
That's not cool.
All right, so he's gonna start another one. Here he comes. Here he comes.
How much?
Do you see it?
How boring would it
In
have been?
3,
if all we
2,
did was
1.
watch all of us go on roller coasters all day.
Cool, huh? Look at all
I don't
that.
know. I had a good day though.
Like I said, I had a great
Look
day.
at all that.
Talking it up to everybody, like I said. Everybody got along.
Do you like it?
And they found Jeff's phone.
Take your fingers out of your mouth.
Yay!
I
Yay!
wanted to tell you that night when I
All right, there's more.
What?
We need more fireworks.
We need more fireworks?
Yeah.
Okay, they're gonna put more.
See, they're watching. Stop. Look at me. Why are you crying?
Up here and the cloud.
Okay.
In the clouds? Okay.
Here we go.
Here, I'll tell you when they're going to light them. I'll tell you when
Here we
they're
go,
gonna light 'em.
Mommy.
Here we go.
Here's the fireworks.
It's coming.
Well, we got the, we did get our...
Well, hit the ground! Hit the ground!
Whoa! That was a big one. That was the biggest one you've seen all your life. Literally.
That was a really large one. Wow.
Do you like it?
That's the biggest you ever seen?
5-layered dip. It's got sour cream, guacamole.
Take some out of your mouth. It can want to go up the stairs?
Bonus.
That was a bigger one, Daddy.
You want to go upstairs? Do you think those fireworks are too big? Okay.
That was a real one I've ever seen. That was a bigger one.
Oh, there you go. Here.
That was a little one, Daddy.
That was cool, huh?
Hey, I ran to the one side.
Whoa! Cool, huh?